Hey guys, it's Justine and welcome to the behind the scenes of shooting the Mac Pro unboxing video. For this video, I wanted to get really crazy. I normally only shoot 4K. We're shooting on 3 8K red heliums. We've got Tyler over here, Corey over here, Nathan over here. I was looking to get 3 8K reds basically at a last minute notice, and somehow I managed to text Nathan over Thanksgiving break. He happened to be at Alternative Rentals where we got these cameras at. So huge thank you to you guys in Culver City. Hi, thank you for making this beautiful project possible. Also got a lot of other gear happening here. Specifically for this shoot, I knew it was gonna be happening, so I got a new light over here. Check this one out. One of the things that I haven't had forever are C-stands. Anytime anybody comes here to do a shoot, they're like, where are your C-stands? I don't have any. I've got C-stands. We've now got some sandbags, because usually I was just telling people to sit on this here to hold it down. I got some great Black Friday deals. These guys right here, also a new addition, not rentals. These are the Nan lights. They're great because you can also switch them to RGB colors, which I'm not gonna touch right now, but you can see an example back here. We've got those set to a nice orange hue. And of course we have the centerpiece of this whole entire video, which is the new Mac Pro. We've got the two dual Pro Display XDRs. These are the matte versions, which are really great because behind me is a window. So if we were shooting and these weren't the matte ones, you would see so many more reflections. It's been a while since I've edited with this type of matte display. This thing is so insane. I've just been kind of stepping back and just admiring the beauty. This is behind the scenes of shooting the beauty shots for the Mac Pro. This has been 2 incredibly intense days, but it's been worth it.
That's all you need right there.
We're now on our way to rent a slider because we wanted to get some cool B-roll shots of the Mac Pro. You may or may not have already seen those. You know, we thought we would just go out and make a vlog. Are they gonna yell at us for filming in there? I feel silly. Nathan, what did you get us? This is a big boy. When I was picturing like a small, tiny little thing.
Well, that wouldn't work for these huge cameras we have.
You're right.
Yeah. So we had to get the real thing.
Well,
I have to put this.
I'll get you some coffee.
I'll go like into there.
I'm gonna need a new server at this point.
If you just wheel it, then I'll carry these.
Okay. Did you still have my card? Did you need? Did it run?
Yeah, I run the payment.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Appreciate it. I definitely thought this was gonna be smaller. Like this is the size of a body. That's gonna have to do. Let's get back to it. It's also been a really long time since I've edited with dual monitors, so this has been a really great experience because I'm able to have one of the monitors set as a completely full resolution of the video that I'm editing, and over here is kind of like my workspace timeline. Unfortunately, this isn't my official setup. Like, I'm gonna have to move this stuff upstairs. We're still in shoot mode right now, so we basically turned this entire living room into a set. We moved couches. Nathan, how much total gear did we rent? Like, how much would that have been if we bought all of this gear?
I mean, over $500,000.
Oh my gosh. Renting is cool. You wanna come see where I hid all the mess? Before we started filming, I realized that everything was a complete disaster, so I cleaned up a little bit, and this is what it looks like cleaned up. We kind of just have been moving stuff around and hiding all of the mess. One thing that we always do have on hand, bananas. But yeah, this is it. This is the behind the scenes. Maddie, look here, honey. Maddie, who's a good boy? Look here. Do you love mommy? Do you want to sit for mommy? Can you sit? Wait.
Start it up.
Can you pull the brightness down a little?
Can I? You don't want the 1600 nits? We're almost done. This has been 2 days of very long shooting. Everyone has been great sports. We ate a lot of food. A lot of pizza. I think we're all still recovering from yesterday's pizza.
They're both at full brightness?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, what was that? What did you just do?
I turned it down. Do you want it down more or do you want it up?
It's all very much in. Keep them down.
Yes. Good.
Yeah, let's see what that looks like. Can you match that?
Okay. Oh.
Good.
Is this how you're gonna edit from now on?
I think so.
With this nice lamp?
Yeah. It's good.
I don't know if this is. That might be really good for your posture. I don't know.
It might be. I don't think I'm ever actually going to get my house back because there is stuff everywhere. I tried to clean up, but it's not.
Let's take a look. Oh man.
If you guys haven't yet seen the official video, I'll put a link in the description and an annotation at the end, so make sure you guys go check that out. But yeah, this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and are you snacking? The one thing that we always have on hand, or plenty, are snacks.